미쳤어? 미쳤어? What does it mean? Today on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about 미쳤어. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 348. 미쳤어 or 미쳤어. This pronounces a three-syllable word. The first syllable is mi, the second syllable is 쳤, and third syllable is 어. And this is pronounced as 미쳤어 or 미쳤어. The Korean word 미쳤어 means crazy. So this is one among the common words you would encounter on Korean dramas. So 미쳤어 means crazy. How do we write 미쳤어 in Hangul? This is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable mi, we need to draw first a mium character followed by an e character. Next, for the second syllable 쳤, we need to draw first a chiot character followed by a yo character followed by a sang siot or double siot character. For the last syllable o, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyang followed by an o character. Just take note that PH there stands for placeholder. So after that, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to write 미쳤어 in Hangul. And with that, you've just learned 미쳤어. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 338 to 347. But don't forget, our word for today, word number 348, it's 미쳤어, which means crazy. The first word for our review is word number 347, it's 동급생, which means same grade level or classmate. Next is 아침 식사, which means breakfast. Next word is 잔디, which means grass. Next word is 점심, which means lunch. Next word is 처럼, which means like. Next word is 어때, which means what do you think or how is something. Next word is 오렌지, which means orange. Next word is 다섯, which means number 5. Next word is 보라색, which means purple color. And the last word for our review is word number 338, it's 배우, which means actor. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.